Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how to connect a database. In this case, we are using SQL Server. I'm gonna connect with Dapper. Dapper's is open source library, and authors are, I think, Stack Overflow. Firstly, I want to create a SQL connection. Okay. I can use SQL connection by using data SQL client, SQL connection. Let's initialize it. And after that, we need to specify connection string. Connection strings may be a little tricky. There's a site, connectionstrings.com and SQL Server. I can use trusted connection because the database installed on my local machine, and so I don't need any username and password. Let's copy that. Okay, firstly, I need to take SQL Server name, so I can see in the properties in the connection. This is the server name, my server, my SQL server. Let's paste it, and my database is account DB. Let's copy the DB name, and to fix that we can use double backward slash, or we can write the at character. Okay, I have connection. Now I can fetch the data. Let's say var fetch data equals SQL connection dot query. Query is a extension method. It comes with Dapper. To use it, you need to install Dapper from NuGet packages. You can see you can search from here, and I install it. To use it, I need to add the using Dapper, and query needs a SQL statement like select star from db dot select star from table name, and that's it. And let's write the SQL statement, and I want to fetch data from customer table. Customer table has only 3 columns: ID, first name, and last name, and I can reach the data by this, with this. Let's put a breakpoint and start. Okay, let's take a look what we have. There's fetch data count 5, And yes, we can see exact same in database table. Okay, let's take a look how can we use. I want to loop in the fetch data, and let's say that's row. And as we can see, this row is dynamic variable, so I cannot reach the row dot first name. The autocomplete is not working because this is the uh, dynamic variable. But we can use it row dot first name. Let's see. We can see the first names from the table, but I want to use the autocomplete. How can we do that? We can specify the entity from here, first name, last name, and ID. So I can create a class, public class, my customer entity. Let's add an ID. Let's add string first name and last name. Okay, if I specify the into query method with angle brackets, so this time this row will be as you can see my customer entity, so I can refactor that with this, so I can reach now first name, ID, and last name. Let's take a look quick. Yeah, we can see in here the data came. So you can do anything what you want. You can use in API. You can serve the data. You can create your data access layer in your projects with using creating these models, these entities, and sometimes tables may have lots of columns, so manually writing this entity class may be painful, so there's a trick way. You can use SQL table to C# class. There's a answered question. You can use and SQL statement, we can create tables. We can create class for tables. I need only to change table name to the customer. If I execute, I can reach the all properties for this class. So okay, we can see exact same thing we manually wrote. And fetching data is that. In the next video, I want to talk about how to insert data, update data, delete data, or any SQL statement. Thanks for watching.